Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Houston Maritime Lawyers. Home Houston Maritime Lawyer. The city of Houston, located on the Gulf Coast in a hub of maritime activity with a thriving maritime trades, commercial finishing and offshore drilling industry. Each year tens of billions of dollars in maritime trade and industry flow through the Houston area, facilitated by the hard-working men and women who work in these industries. As a result, many multi-billion and million dollars companies have made their headquarters in Houston or employ large number of staff there. The port of Houston also offers direct access to the heart of Texas and the coastal waters of the Gulf of Mexico from mariners and trade. Longshoremen and other workers who are injured in the course of their work on the water of the Gulf Coast may be eligible of the claims under the LHWCA longshore and harbor workers specialized expert and experience of John Act law firm like Dolly Denzel LLP to properly propose their legal right under federal and state maritime laws. Our attorney are skilled in handling Jones Act and other maternity injury cases, and we are dedicated to help injury maternity work in the Houston and the surrounding area get the justice and compensation they deserve. Contact us today to learn more about your right and legal options. Houston offshore injury and fatality rates. Each year, numerous offshore accident, other maternity incident course of the Houston campaigns that could have been prevented with the proper safety producer and equipment. However, careless or negligent employs their third parties and other often but offshore work and other maternity work to risks of injury or death as seamen. Then these work has a legal right to a safe working environment, including a seaworthy vessel and safe condition. When companies fail to uphold these obligations and an offshore accident of their management in this offshore, they may be liable for additional demands and other liabilities under the Jones Act. An experienced Jones Act maternity attorney can help injury offshore work as other maternity work in Houston understand their right and pursue compensatory damage for their injuries, including medical expense and other damages. As offshore work based in a form taxes on have the distinct advantage of being able to pursue legal action can help you negative your options and determine the most effective way to pursue a claim for damages such a personal injury. A wrongful death related to your maternity injuries can contain as today for a complementary case evaluation. Add to them more about your right and legal options. Don't miss you change to hold your employer accountable and seek to justice your deserve as an injured work. Why do you need an experienced Houston maternity attorney? Negativization the complex land space of maritime laws such as a Jones Act can be a docking talks requiring specialized expertise and experience in admiralty law matters as maternity and admitted injury attorney of offshore injury attorney. We understand the unique challenges our clients face and strive to provide them with the best possible legal response station whether on clients have surprise injury in offshore accident, ship accident, or have lost loved one in maternity desert. We are dedicated to help them and their families seek justice and obtain the comprehension benefits चला गया है. Benefit and clients to the need at them to get care and support they need as well as negative zones and climb and other maternity injury cases and have traveling across the global to respected emotional clients. Thank you so much for my video.